This is a bike check. So I got these white ODIs. Cut the flanges. Got these green ODI bar ends. They're nice. I got some Fiction chromoly bars, a kink stem. I have a Verde Eon frame. I've got Colt forks. I've got a Primo tire with a sealed nitrous hub and nitrous rim, but I have an alienation rim that I could get laced. I got a fly seat, random seat clamp that matches the spokes in the back. I got an animal sprocket, some DK cranks and pedals, KMC chain with an animal master link, some random hub off of Dan's hump, shadow spokes, animal ASM slider tire in the back, kink peg. This is a proper rim, double wall, and I have a United bottom bracket and an FSA headset. So that's my bike. Thanks for watching. Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! Blackie stole my bike! Blackie stole my bike! He's gone. He's gone. My bike is gone. Fuck!